Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 23 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, battalion. Battalion is large group of soldiers just like in Pakistan army. Infantry, so the part of an army that has soldier who fight on foot. So infantry, battalion, all these terms are related to armed forces or army. Next one, permits. So license, permission. Next one, exempted. Exempted meaning is to grant someone pardon, relief. Next one, sheer. So to turn sharply, change direction abruptly. Next one, arboreal. So something which is living on trees, just like birds. So I have collected these vocabulary from Child Protection and from an article which was written by Muhammad Ahmad Pensota. So the first one is abduction. Abduction is the unlawful carrying away of a woman for marriage or sexual intercourse or coitus. Next one, rape. So to force someone to have sexual activity against their will. Next one, ravaged. So despoiled, sacked, devastated, intent. So its meaning is aim or purpose. Next one, overhaul. So redevelopment, renovation, modernize. So during the time of Ziaul Haq, an ordinance was passed which we call Zina Ordinance in 1979. Another ordinance which was passed in Assembly of Punjab, and that is the Punjab Suppression of Prostitution Ordinance 1961, and it was passed during the time period of General Ayub Khan. Next one, the Sin Children Act 1955. Next one, the Punjab Children Ordinance 1983 and UNCRC, United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. So all these ordinances, acts and laws, so all these were passed by the legislative assemblies of Pakistan in order to protect women and children. Next one, belabor. So over emphasizing or to attack someone or something verbally. Next one, belied. So to contradict someone or something. Next one, prostitution. So the act of having sex in exchange for money. Next one, ratified. So the meaning of ratified is to make a treaty agreement official by signing it or voting for it. To authorize something, approve, formalize, conform. Next one, convention. So the meaning of convention is agreement, contract. Next one, provisions. So its meaning is planning, preparation. Next one, penal code. So the legal code governing crimes and their punishment, just like Pakistan Penal Code. Next one, assault. So the meaning of assault is a violent physical attack, abuse, to hit someone physically. Next one, prosecution. So its meaning is execution. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. If you people have any question, so ask freely. Thank you.